The villa that you're about to see today was created with some of the most interesting design features that will leave you absolutely speechless. Don't believe me? Come take a look. What's up everyone, and welcome to another episode of Property Walkthrough brought to you by Bali Real Estate Consultants. My name is Sidi and today I am in Tumbak Bayuh, one of the most favorite areas for expat to live in. Everything in this area is simply accessible. You're talking about restaurant? Check. Trendy cafes? Check. An international school to send your kids to? Check. Due to the sheer accessibility, this area is prominent among tourists or family alike. Now, this villa that I'm about to show you is built on a compound of luxury villas featuring 5 bedrooms, 5.5 baths, 677 square meters of living space on 2 levels. And all of those features are built on a 1,470 square meters of land. As we're stepping inside of the villa, as you can see, they did a really good job at integrating the plants into the overall design. Also, the parking area that can fit up to 3 cars, I believe, and then a pergola that covering some of the open parking leading towards the main entrance. As I'm walking there, it feels like I'm walking through an art gallery with this vast window on my right that shows a sneak peek towards the beautifully designed interiors, which by the way, we'll have a look really soon. So come and follow me. My goodness. Welcome to the first part of the villa. The amazing area that you saw through the glass just now, here lies in front of me. And the first thing I noticed as soon as I step inside those people doors is how small I am compared to the whole space right here. I'm talking about this high ceiling that is 10 meters in height, accentuated by these really nice light fixtures hanging down here, creating a sense of 3 canopies. Coming down here, we have the seating area with the sofa facing the courtyard, having a very nice view over these sliding doors that can be opened up into the environment. Looking down, we have this really nice textured flooring right here. That is basically the main idea of the whole property. You can also find it in the bedroom as well as the kitchen, which we're going to be having a look later on. Now coming this way, which is going to be a massive shelf. I mean, take a look at it. It is massive. It's coming from the floor all the way to the roof. Not only that is it massive, this piece is also an art by itself. Crafted by local Balinese, it features some well-known Balinese pattern right here. You see the details, it is so amazing. It also has built-in lighting to highlight any art piece it holds. So safe to say, it is an art piece filled with art pieces. Also, another thing that you will notice is how flooded this space is with light, thanks to the windows from this side, all over the place, letting in so much light, giving these really airy feelings, the exact same feeling that you want to convey to your guests having right here. Certainly, this villa gives you a very strong impression coming inside here. You have this pocket garden, as well as the glimpse of the floating stairs that lead us to the second floor. You also have access to the powder room. This way, we'll finally make it into the next section of the house, which is going to be the dining and kitchen area. And let's start with the dining area right here. You're looking at the setup of this dining area that can sit up to 10 people comfortably. As you can see, there's so much depth and characters being poured into it. They really did a good job preparing all of this stuff. You see a really nice pendant light shining down here. And for those special occasions that you have sometimes, you have these candles to brighten up the mood and give the overall warmth to the ambience. Next to it, we arrive here at the heart of every home, the kitchen. As you can see, the setup is really airy. You have this clean and sleek line finishing, marble countertops. You also find this wood cladding surrounding the whole area of the island. I really like the setup of the island in front of me now. You have this slightly raised up from the lower level all the way to the bar. So it creates this really nice separation between the sink area as well as the bar. As a proper kitchen should be, this one comes with many appliances. For example, we have the fridge, 2 ovens, a microwave. All of those is built nicely into these cabinets. Moving this way, we have built-in stove, again marble countertops as well, all the way to the backsplash, and you can find lots of storage with so many cabinets underneath the countertops as well as built-in into the island. Now moving forward, we have the dishwasher as well right here, as well as the coffee machine. Again, this area is filled with so much light, and the kitchen as well as the dining area enjoys a magnificent view over the pool section as well as the courtyard. They also have a glimpse to the seating area right here. Now we are going into it. From the kitchen, we are now coming out to the seating area just by the pool. You feel an instant breeze as soon as you step outside, and it is bright here thanks to the open setup that this place enjoys. From where I'm standing now, you have a really fantastic view overlooking the courtyard and also service of the pool. However, I would like to point out a really interesting features that this villa has, which is going to be this glass, meaning that you can have a view of underwater as well. Not that it is an aquarium, but I think it is pretty cool nonetheless. Now, speaking about the see-through pool, there's actually one just on top of me. So make sure to stick until the end of the video because it is just really good. Now continuing the tour, we have on my right here is going to be the bar table, which is again clad with marbles. So safe to say, you can actually serve your cold drink in a really hot day for your guests by the pool because there's actually built-in stools. Moving this way, you have a built-in sofa that sits nicely with a pocket garden as its backdrop. Coming down this way, another notable feature is going to be this wine chiller. It is empty at the moment, but you have that many spaces for your fantastic drink by the pool. It's just so much better. Overall, I would say anyone who spends their time right here will not have any complaints about being here. It's just fantastic. So far, we have covered the living room, the dining area, the kitchen, as well as the sitting area by the pool. However, we're not done yet. That's why now I'm taking you to have a look at the first 2 bedrooms that you can find on the first level. Let's come this way. Looking at the setup, they're pretty much identical. I'm talking about a set of bedrooms, twin beds, right here on each bedroom. You can also find a built-in wardrobe right here, equipped also with an open shelf. Looking around, the atmosphere is pretty much inviting with a direct view over the courtyard. Over that direction is going to be a second access toward the main parking area, separate from the main entrance that we had in the beginning of the video. Each of these 2 bedrooms are also equipped with an ensuite bathroom, just like this one right here. We are now entering the room, one of the rooms actually, that's located in the corner here on the first level. It is currently set up to accommodate 2 spa tables. However, from the space that we have at the moment, I believe you can do more than that. I would say this space, you can do a lot. For example, like a yoga or perhaps a little bit of gym. Over this side, you have an overview towards the pool area as well as the garden. And over that direction, you have a bathroom setup which has a really nice in and out flow or semi-open. Not only you can transform this place to all of the things that I've said before, but I believe you can also transform this space into your next bedroom, just judging by the fact that you have an ensuite bathroom already. Coming out from the spa room, I guess the next thing I would like to show you is going to be the courtyard. But first thing first, let me put on my sunglasses because the sun shines really bright today, which is good. So right away, this is the courtyard of this beautiful villa. And immediately, the thing that struck my attention is going to be this vast pool spanning over 25 meters in length. From here, you can see the whole face of the villa, including a sneak peek at the 3 bedrooms that are located on the 2nd level. Coming back down, you have 3 day beds, a seating area just by the pool, as well as this bridge-like structure that connecting the main part of the villa to the sunken seating area right in front of me that is equipped with a fire pit. You can also find a sangha on the side, which is a common find in Balinese household that believed to grant you a protection for your home. Overall, the vibe in this villa is simply amazing. It's just an open breeze, especially in this breezy day and really bright sunny day today. You have a well-manicured garden all over the place, including a small river that is actually running outside of the perimeter, right in front of the villa. We are now taking you back inside, but this time on the 2nd level where you have the 3 bedroom, including the master bedroom as well as the media room. But first, let me show you this amazing view over this platform overlooking the living area below as well as this massive shelf you saw in the beginning of the video. And next, follow me here. And finally, we have arrived in the media room, which honestly, my favorite room in the whole of the place. And the reason being, and the reason why I love this place so much is because I'm currently binge watching a series in HBO. So I can already picture myself laying down on this beautiful couch here, closing all of the curtains so I have more privacy and play the HBO series that I'm currently watching on this massive TV. I would say it's going to be a really great experience overall. Additionally, I would like to point out you have this floating shelf right here, and on the backdrop you find lots of vegetation which creates kind of barrier and privacy towards the exteriors. And yeah, again, this is my favorite place going to be in this villa. So let me know if you're given access to this area, what movies are you going to be watching? From the media room, you're now arriving in one among 3 bedrooms that you can find on the 2nd level. And immediately, I'm absolutely captivated by the sheer design itself. The setup truly reflects modern feel, yet still intertwined nicely with soft tropical touch all over the place. Again, you have the king-size bed that open up into the balcony where you have 2 sun lounges as well as the built-in seating area. There's just so much space right there. You have a pocket garden, lots of vegetation to kind of tone down the whole mood in the area. Back here we have the wardrobe built in into the back. You have lots of storage all over the place for your clothes or any belongings. And then this way you have the recess area that has a built-in mirror on that. So I believe this is going to be where you see yourself when preparing, you know, you're like changing your clothes and everything. Over this side, then we arrive in the ensuite bathroom. Again, we have that really sleek line finishing. Finishing is really tight and really nice all over the place. Double vanity right here that seems to be floating in the air. That's really nice design elements. You have 2 pairs of pendant light right to left, which kind of create this really warm atmosphere all around the area. We have the bathtub as well onto the left side as soon as you enter the bathroom. And across the bathtub on this side is going to be the shower area. Overall, this space is massive, and I think it should be more than enough for anyone to just take a shower or maybe have a dip in their bathtub. Now, let's talk about the other room that is located in the adjoint. I would say adjoint, literally like in front of this room, there's a 2nd bedroom. The setup is pretty much the same. The only thing that bedroom lacks is going to be the balcony, which this room as well as the master bedroom enjoy. So let's continue. Last but not least is going to be the master bedroom. I especially leave this room for the last because how phenomenal this room is. As I said, there are two ways of entering the room. One of them is from here and the other one is from the balcony flanking the room, that connecting all the way to the frontage. As we make our way in, your attention will instantly be captured by the seating area as well as the balcony right up front. On to my left, you have the master bed, and the setup is really outstanding. You have the light pendants hanging down here as well as the relief on the back of the wall. It creates really nice textures and depth into the overall bed frame right here. Now over this side you can find the walk-in closet on this side as well as the ensuite bathroom. Come follow me. As we're entering the ensuite bathroom, again we are met with the subtle yet really nice finishing and clean lines, really nice textured cladding. Right over here we have the shower area as well as the bathtub joined together seamlessly. Coming back into the master bedroom, we have yet another sitting area that sits lower than the master bed itself. It is set up beautifully at the moment, really nice textured table right here. The setup of this seating area is facing directly into the balcony, so let's go check that out. The balcony that sits in front of the master bedroom has this really unique design features in the form of this plunging pool right here that extends all the way over there. Additionally, I would like to point out that there is a built-in sofa across the pool as well as two additional seating areas. Now, all of the design that poured into making all of this happen is truly exceptional. So imagine having access to all of these amenities while being in one of Canggu's hottest area. I will not complain, honestly. So some of you may ask, who is this villa for? Well, judging from the location, the amenities, the design, I can confidently say that this villa is for any individuals or larger family that is looking for a place that they can call home, or perhaps an investment property for anyone who's starting on the island. So for those of you who are interested, this property is currently on the market for sale. For further information, you can check on the link on the description below. That's it for the video. Thank you so much for staying until the end. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button so you don't miss our future video. With that being said, thank you so much again, and I'll see you in the next video with Bali Real Estate Consultants. Cities out.